Alright guys, today we're going to do the fuel filter on my 1992 Suzuki Every. I looked in the back. Oh, it wasn't in the back. Alright, so I found a fuel filter that I believe will be the right size. I'll put this in the description below. I think we're going to need a 10mm, possibly a pair of pliers or needle nose. We'll get down underneath there and check it out. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if this helps in any way, shape, or form. A container to put the old filter in so we can see what kind of crap comes out of it. I'm pretty sure this is near original. It's not freaking young at all. So up underneath, behind the front right wheel, or driver's side, because this is JD, I'm in right-hand drive, you're gonna find a filter. And it's got 10mm right here, and then there's another 10 right here to kind of loosen it up off of there. And it looks like just a clamp here and a clamp here that's holding it in place. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out, or loosen this one, and then take this one right here out. 10mm, I believe it's 10mm. I'll let you know if it's not. So I had to take this bolt out to be able to get to this bolt and loosen it up. Once you get it loose, you see that this filter moves around in there pretty freely. There is another bolt on the other side, but I'm not going to take that out because I'm just going to slide this filter out of the hole. So now we're going to go ahead and get this clamp here and this clamp here off with a pair of pliers. Just squeeze them and slide them out of the way. See, I got the clamp off and started moving it out. Be careful, this could be under pressure and you could get gas squirt in your eyes. So make sure that you wear like safety goggles or something like that. I have a container ready to catch any fuel that may run out of it, so you don't get it all over the ground, stain your driveway and whatnot. We're going to stab the new filter on, stick it back through this hole up top, and get the line on the other side. We're going to get the fuel clamps back on both sides. We're going to push this filter in as far as we can, and then tighten this bolt right here again. We're going to push it in, hold it, and then tighten that bolt down. Then we're going to go ahead and put the last remaining bolt back in and tighten that down. Gas should be nice and clear, but it's mud. I'm sure that there's even, I mean, that's just muddy in there. It's even, but I was hoping that it was this filter, but more than likely it's going to be the fuel pump. But this hadn't been replaced in a long time, so this is what we're going for first. So we're going to turn the ignition on and then off a few times. Try to get that fuel pump to pump up. Let's see what happens. So far, so good. Oh yeah, she's good. Yeah, that was it, guys. Oh, mango season. Yay me. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. This helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll do more videos on this and repairs. There's always something to fix on these old JDM cars. Yeah. Thanks. Peace.